How to brew Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee is made by first brewing water and very finely ground coffee in a little copper or brass pot called an Ibrik. After that, pour the entire contents of the pot, water and grinds included, into the coffee cup. For Turkish coffee, I prefer 1 part coffee to 12 parts water. So our brew required 30 grams of coffee for every 350 milliliters of water, 12 fluid ounces. You can use ground Turkish coffee in your coffee maker instead of regular coffee. The result is a wonderful cup of coffee that has Turkish coffee-like characteristics. The result is a superb cup of coffee with characteristics similar to Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee merely requires a tiny bit more attention than regular coffee would require. A little more Turkish coffee than you would use to make a standard cup of coffee needs to be added. Is Turkish coffee good for you? Blood cholesterol levels are stabilized by Turkish coffee. It increases the medication's efficacy. It can also hasten the pain's alleviation. Turkish coffee also helps prevent the majority of cardiac problems, and is highly useful to the digestive system. If you enjoyed it, share this video with your friends.